So when I write a continue is nothing but here when you observe this one, when you observe this case, what happens if the counter reaches 40, it stop the loop immediately. In place of break, if you write continue, what happens? Only condition related statements will be terminated and remaining will be continue. So I will tell you one more simple example similar to this one. So here, this is my class. Same thing. Least bother about the number. What is the strength of my class? Okay. So here I am going to teach Python programming from tomorrow class. Like that, I convert to the real world. So any number of students can join. Like that I said. So here, if I go for this one, actually, this class is only for the boys. But I did not convey which gender guys need to be joined in my class. So can I expect only boys? Did I convey any thing at here? It is for girls and it is for boys? No. So what do you expect? You can expect a boy and you can expect girl also. Boy and girl. Boy, again girl, again boy. Like that, students are entering into my class. So first student came, Mr. 1 will came. So can I invite him? Yes, I will invite. When next person girl come, can I invite her? No. I should not invite. So when I write a break in this case, if I put break, what happens? The remaining things I unable to invite. Are you clear? If I put break at this place, what happens? I unable to invite remaining all guys. So how many students will sit in my class? If I put break at this place, what is the problem I face? How many students will sit in my class? Only one student, this Mr. 1 only sit. But am I inviting remaining guys? No. Then what can I do? Just I convey to this girl, like this is only for boys. Very good, 5Z2. Only one student will join it here. So when girl entered, then I won't put break here. If I put break, this will be terminated. This inviting is terminated. Just I will put continue at this place. When I put continue, only this girl is skip and remaining second control will goes to the second person to be invited. Can I invite this person? Yes, I can invite. But when I go for this girl, can I invite this one? No. Again, I will terminate this one. Again, I will invite. So how can I terminate here? I am going to put continue. Next, I will invite this boy. Next, I will put continue at here. Next, I will put continue at here. Next, I am going to write invite this one. So if I put break, what happens? Immediately terminated. So if I put continue, what happens? Only this one is terminated and remaining will be continued. Is this clear? Yes. So now, how can I represent this girl and boy? Very simple. I am going to use two alphabets, M and F. M is nothing but male, F is nothing but female. M, F. M, F, F, M, F, F. Like that, students are inviting. Can I call one by one or? I am going to call one by one and I am going to test whether he is male or female. If he is male, I will invite. If the person who is entering into my class is female, I will skip that. So let us know how I am going to write. So here I am going to invite one by one. I am going to pick one by one. This is X in this order. I am going to take this order. So male, female, female, male, male, female, female, male, female, female, male, male, male students like that enter into my class. Next, if I print Mr. X, please enter into my class. Is it valid? It is invalid because I am going to take every person from this one. I am going to take every person from this one. But are you inviting everyone? No, I want to invite only male. Then what can I do? If in case the person whom I have picked from this string X, if it is equal to F is nothing but female, then tell me what I am going to write it here, break or continue. I should write it here, continue. When I write continue, I am going to avoid females. I am going to invite only males. So let us check whether it is working or not. So what I am doing? Again, I am going for another program. So here, just I am taking the order Q. I am taking Q. How Q is available, that I am going to take. So is this Q belonging to integer type or string type? This is the string type. So I am going to take the Q. Male, female, male, female, male, female, like that I will take. So enter student order. Like that simply I am writing. Next, I am going to take one by one. For each person in Q I am taking. Is it valid? I'm not writing direct string directly like MF order. Just I am going to take X in Q. So if in case the X person, if it is equal to female, if it is equal to female, just I am going to write what happens if I use break. Actually, I should write continue there, but wantedly I am testing what happens when I use break. Next, what I am doing is Mr. X, welcome to Python class. Like that I am writing. So tell me how many students will enter into my class. It's done this order. Right. So M, 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 F, M, 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 F, F, M. Like that I have written. I put break. Can you expect how many students will join in my class? How many students will sit? I don't want to confuse you. Just I will write only these 4. Tell me how many students will sit when I execute this one? 5Z6, 1292, 5R8. Only 3 students will invite. Only 3. Because I have written bracket here. Only 3 people entered. When, okay, 5Z63. Because when female entered, immediately I have stopped the remaining iteration. But if I want to invite this fourth M also, I am going to write it continue. If I write continue, then only this female will be skipped. I can see only male. So I am going to run this one. So male, female, male, female, male, male, female, 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 male. So how many M's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M's are there. Then when I hit enter, only males are entered into my class. All females are skipped. So did you understand how this continue is working? What does continue doing? It will stop the current iteration and will continue the remaining iteration. How do you achieve this one? By using continue. So what is the difference we observe between continue and break? Continue will terminate the iterations. Break will terminate the iterations in loops. Continue will terminate only current iteration and will continue the remaining iteration. These things we observe when I use break and continue.